Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make a quick tutorial about Offroad League, guys. And in this tutorial I'm going to explain to you that how you actually can get a mod for the game, guys, which works for the both devices, iOS and Android. So I'm just going to open the game real quick so you can see it by yourself, guys, how the game looks like with the mod, and then I'm going to explain to you all the steps I did for myself so you can learn it also how to do it in your own device by yourself as well. Okay, so guys, just a few seconds. And then as you can see right over here, you will get, guys, unlimited resources, and I'm going to show you that how I did this. So basically, guys, before you start the whole process, you just need to check a few things in the settings so the whole process goes smoothly, you don't have any problem. Okay, so first of all, guys, you just have to go to your settings, and then you need to scroll it down till here where is the battery, right? And then you're gonna have it this lower power mode option. If lower power mode option it's on, because a lot of people like to have it lower power mode to save battery, then it means that if you go back to App Store here, automatic downloads are going to be disabled, as you can see. All right, so in order to make this active, which is important for this process, you have to go to battery here to turn it off, guys. And if you go back again to App Store, as you can see, automatic downloads, we're going to be enable all of them. All right, one thing you need to check when you come here is that first option, app downloads, make sure you turn it on. If you have it off like this, make sure you turn it on so it allows automatic downloads in your device. So basically the steps that I showed to you right now, guys, are just required for the iOS users. If you are an Android user, you can skip this part of the tutorial because for the Android is a different part. It's a different system, sorry, and it does it by itself automatically, this part. Okay, so after that, guys, for the both devices, iOS and Android, you can go straight to your internet browser, go and search about this site. It's called Modolix, Modolix. Once you're gonna enter in, guys, you have a lot of other things, a lot of other games here. Sorry, if you press games, you're gonna see, and different apps and so on. You can just go and search about the our game. Just type the name, Offroad League, and here it is. And then here you need to click on it, then you have information about the game and the mod as well, guys, and all information that you need. And and here in the corner you have the install button, guys. So basically you just need to continue with the installation of the mod, and you follow all the steps required to the end, you're going to be able to complete the mod and get it on your device. So it's pretty simple, guys, and pretty easy. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section. I'll be very happy to share with you everything you need to know. Cheers.